Welcome to the Plastotech, the world of plastics, that is in English. So guys, after completing the monitor page, I'm just moving to the fast set. Now, when we will move to the fast set page, you will get what are the simple things. Now, I'm going to just click on this fast set option and our fast set page will be opened. So this is an important thing that we have to know about what is the fast set and how we calculate this fast set. So we have to know that. Now I'm moving to the fast set page. Now in this particular fast set means each and every fast setting we can do. For example, if you want to set our mold closing position for the mold closing, mold opening, pressure, injection, hold, charging, suck back, each and everything, ejector, each and every single setting you can directly do on a single page. That means fast set. That means you can set everything fastly without wasting time or moving to the different page. For example, if you want to set the mold closing settings like stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, low pressure, high pressure setting, you can directly set here. You don't have to go to the mold page to set all these things. And for example, you have to set mold open position, end position, stage 3, stage 2, stage 1, pressure, flow, position, each and everything you can set here without moving to the mold page. Now similar to that, if you want to set the setting for your injection like injection pressure, injection flow, injection position, each and everything you can set also directly in this particular page. You don't have to move to the injection page. Similar to the hold, similar to the charge, similar to the back means here it's talking about suck back after charge or before charge. You can both you select from here, and pressure flow position you can set here. And similar to that, ejector, we are talking about ejector can also be set it here like retract setting and ejector advanced setting. So guys, this is an important page, fast set. It's important to teach you about what is the fast set page. So I think you have got the idea about what is the fast set page and how you can set. So guys, if you are new to our channel or old to our channel and haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest notification. Thank you guys and have a nice